Talk about a chicken that is seasoned to the bone, a chicken that is deeply flavored with a green blended season of onion, garlic, chives, rosemary, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, all spices, and more, all natural flavor. Come over to my kitchen and learn how you can make this delicious chicken. The first thing we are going to do is make our green seasoning. And here I have my all spices. I have some nice chives. I have ginger here. Over here I have, right over there, I have my bay leaf. And I just love the flavor that comes from bay leaf. When you crush one and you put it at your nose, the smell, the aroma, oh my goodness. Just imagine this on your chicken. So here also we have our lovely rosemary. This is one of my favorite herbs. There I have my thyme, that's next flavor, my onion, garlic. Right here I have some cilantro. If you don't know what cilantro is, you see this, it look like parsley, but it's not parsley. The leaf is flat, it have that same waviness as parsley, but the leaf is flat. This herb is nice to cook in stew, it's nice to cook in soup. Today it is going to be in my green seasoning to use on my herb. And of course, the scotch bonnet pepper. So first we want a nice piece of ginger. You just want enough to make about 2 tablespoons. So we are going to clean this and we are going to chop enough, or you can shred enough to give you 2 tablespoons. And here, and this is done after properly wash your herbs. This is enough cilantro to give me a cup. And that's my thyme, and here again I have enough thyme just to give me about 1/4 cup. So the rosemary the same, you will need about 1/4 cup of rosemary. You want to strip it. You don't want to cut. You want to remove all the leaves. You don't want to cut everything. You just need the leaf. So there I have about 3 stalks of chives. We are doing some chunky chops. And that's about half of a large onion. And we have 2 scotch bonnet pepper. If you don't like, you don't have to put so much. It depends on your taste. You can go with half, you can go with 1, you can go with 2, or you can go with more. It is up to you. So here I have my garlic. We have about 5 garlic here. And here I have my bay leaves. This is about 10 bay leaves. So all our lovely season is chopped and ready to blend. So here we have everything. This is a NutriBullet. You just want to add everything. And here, this is the juice of one medium-sized lime. You can use lemon also. And you will need about half a cup of oil. Maybe a little more, it depends. That's about a teaspoon of salt also. Oh, and that's 1 teaspoon of cumin. I almost forget. But as you can see, look at this fresh, all natural flavor that is going on your chicken. Can you imagine the flavor that is going to come from your chicken? Okay, so to our chicken. Here I have 4 pieces of chicken leg and thigh. So you want to wash your chicken with lime. Just knowing that washing your chicken with lime is not going to take away any bacteria or nothing like that. I wash my chicken with lime or vinegar just to give it a nice flavor, just to take away that freshness, that rawness that you get that come from the chicken, nothing else. To take away bacteria or things like that, you need to well cook your chicken. So here we are removing the skins and any excess fat. Once you have properly cleaned your chicken, we are going to just split it in 2. And here we are adding about almost a teaspoon of salt. And this is about 2 teaspoons of paprika. All natural seasoning. And this is our lovely green seasoning, nice, thick and rich in flavor. So here we are going to add 5 heap spoons. Remember, we are cooking green seasoning chicken, so we want to saturate the chicken in a large amount. Don't worry, it's not too much. The flavor of the chicken is right there. We are just going to enhance the chicken flavor. Look at that. So here you want a frying pan with a small amount of oil on medium-high heat. We had the chicken pieces. So now, here is a tricky thing. We don't want to leave the chicken fried. So immediately we are going to add some water to the pot. So in the same bowl, we add about 2 cups of water to make sure we get all the rest of season. So this is about 15 minutes later. We are checking, and yes, a flavor is coming from this chicken that is marvelous. But there's one thing I would love to have a nicer color. So what I do, I go ahead and add some more paprika and some turmeric. And here right here, I am satisfied with the color I get. So throughout the cooking process, you may need to add a little water. Don't add too much. You may need to add half cup when it's needed, and you want to cook it on medium low. If you are enjoying my video, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload. And a big thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you so much. I love the flavor that is coming from this chicken. I didn't know that cooking a chicken like this with this special chosen blending seasoning would be so nice. So around 45 to 1 hour later, our delicious spicy pepper green seasoning chicken is ready to serve. We're serving this up with some yellow rice. And oh boy, are you ready to eat? Cause I am hungry. I am ready to eat. I just love the beauty of this chicken. And look at the sauce. No flour, no cornstarch. And look how beautiful the sauce is. All from the season. I told you, this chicken flavor is all natural. Oh my goodness, people. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Comment below and let me know if you ever used green seasoning before. What's your favorite green seasoning? And try this recipe out and let me know how did yours came out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check in the box below for the recipe, for the ingredients for the recipe. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.